If you've ever dumped data into a spreadsheet so that you could go create a pivot table, you're going to love Parabola's grouping steps that make it really easy to aggregate data in just a couple of clicks. In this video, we'll be looking at the sum by group step, and we'll be looking at our sales data where we can see within an individual order and SKU how many units were purchased and what was the total revenue for that SKU in that order. Now let's say we want to roll up this data and aggregate units and revenue based on SKU. We can do that in our sum by group step, and whenever you'd open this step, I recommend clicking on input 1 so that you can see the unedited data coming into this step. Now, in our top section here where it says sum, this is where we're going to want to select our fields with numeric data that we want to sum together. So in this example, units and revenue. In our group section down here, this is where we're going to want to select what ends up being the first column in our rolled up data set. In this example, SKU. So if I go ahead and put SKU in here, show updated results, we'll see we go from 8 columns of data to 3 columns, with each of these rolled up based on SKU. Now let's say I want to break this down a little bit further, and I want to know within a month how many SKUs did we sell. Now, the order of your columns on the right-hand side here will determine the order of our columns in our data set. So if I hit show updated results, you'll see our first column is going to be SKU, and then we'll have all of our months here. Maybe I want to swap this around. I actually want to see, hey, let's see month first, then I want to break it down by SKU, show updated results, and can start creating some different custom views of the data here. Now that we've covered one method for rolling up data, we'll take a look at the count by group step as well.